Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a stamp to your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will insert here a stamp. Now select this review option, top menu bar, and here you will find this stamp option. Click on this down arrow and this is feature stamps. You can select any of them. I'll select this one, completed, and click here. Now select the select option, select text and graphics and edit this one. You can increase, decrease this stamp size and move anywhere. Now select this properties option. Here you can change stamp border color and this stamp opacities. And see this opacity is now changed and this border color, fill color cannot change. Okay. Now again select this review option and select here. You can create new stamp. Type your stamp name, new, and this is stamp text. You can change this color. Now select OK and see this. And custom stamp now created. And you can put this one here and press right button and select properties option and say this stamp opacities and see this. If you want, you can insert your create new stamp option here, image or logo, company name from your browser and so on. In this way, you can insert stamp to PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.